Hi, I'm Lisa Chase, founder of Back to Normal Physical Therapy, where we specialize in whole body healing and helping you get back to normal. We know that so many people struggle with recurrent pain and have been told at least once in their life by a medical provider that they should just live with the pain, or either that or they should just stop doing the activities that they love. But we know that's not the case and that there is a better way. After 30 years of experience, I have been frustrated with the traditional medical model where I was unable to treat somebody's whole well-being. So firstly, what we're going to do is we're going to help restore mobility. So oftentimes people come in, they're having a lot of pain and inflammation. It wasn't until I had the opportunity to travel on the Professional Women's Tennis Tour where I had the opportunity to treat the whole person. And as I did that, I saw the amazing results that you can get. And it was during that time that I said, I'm going to create Back to Normal, and I'm going to have a patient-focused practice where I can help patients get out of pain and do the activities that they love.